Good morning, children. Today we are going to see exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Find the adjoint of the following. First subdivision given 2 by 2 matrix. Second subdivision is given 3 by 3 matrix. Third subdivision is once again 3 by 3 matrix, but outside given on scalar 1 by 3. So we want to find out adjoint of these matrices. So I am going to start now. First subdivision. Find the adjoint of the following matrices. That is a question. I am going to start first subdivision as let A is equal to, because here it is not taken or not given as A. I am taking the given matrix as A. So let A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix. Now the formula for adjoint of A is equal to Aij whole transpose. What is Aij? That is nothing but cofactor of the matrix A. What is cofactor of the matrix A? Signed minor. How will you find sign? Let us take this example. See this. For 2 by 2 matrix, if you take A as 2, 3, 4, 5, this is nothing but our usual notation is A11, A12, A21, A22. So cofactor of 2, if you are going to find out cofactor of the element 2, that is nothing but minus 1, that is signed minor. What is sign? Minus 1 power 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? This 2 is in the first row, first column. That is only A11 meaning. That is the element which is present in first row, first column. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into minor, the corresponding row and the column deleted. You will get the remaining number is 5. So that is your 5. So the first number sign is plus. Similarly, if we go for second number, the sign is A12. A12 means minus 1 power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 1 power 3 is minus 1 power odd number means minus will come. Similarly, while going for the second row, A21. So minus 1 power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 means again odd. So here is again minus. But here A22. Minus 1 power 2 plus 2, that is 4 even. Minus 1 power even means plus. So sign for 2 by 2 matrices for calculation of the cofactor. First term starts from plus, second term is minus. Then again while going for the next one is minus, then again plus. That is plus, minus, minus, plus. That is for 2 by 2. In the same way, if we go for 3 by 3, we seen already plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Do you remember this? Minus, plus. This is for 3 by 3. This is the sign. Then you have to calculate minor, that we seen in the last class. So, we are going to start now with signed minor. So Aij is a cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but signed minor. Then transpose. Then find out signed minor. Find out the transpose. So adjoint of A is equal to, formula is matrix Aij whole transpose. So sign is nothing but plus, minus, plus minus, again minus plus. It is not alternative plus minus. So we want to find out minor. Now minor of minus 3 is, it is nothing but the corresponding row and column deleted, you will get 2. So already sign is plus, so plus 2. Similarly, cofactor of 4 is nothing but that row and column deleted, you will get 6. So formula is minus 6. Then again minor of 6 is delete the corresponding row and column, you will get 4, but sign is minus, so minus 4. Similarly, the last element, the corresponding row and column deleted, you will get minus 3. So plus is the sign, but now we got minus 3 is minor. So plus of minus 3 whole transpose, that is 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus into minus is minus 3 volt transpose. Transpose means interchanging rows and columns. So your first row becomes your first column 2 minus 6. Second row becomes second column minus 4 minus 3. That's all. First subdivision is over. Now second subdivision is same thing. Find the adjoint of the 3 by 3 matrix. So let us call the given matrix as A. So A is equal to given matrix. Now the formula for adjoint of A is matrix Aij volt transpose. That is equal to formula is minus 1 power I plus j Mij volt transpose. That is called signed minor. So I am going to use now shortcut method for this. So the rough work. First you have to delete the corresponding, that is first row and first column. Delete first row and first column elements. So you are getting only 2 columns 4 7 1 2. Am I right? So here you write 4 7 1 2. Then you take 3 3. That is the third column. Again you take next column, that is called 4 7. So starting is 4 7, ending is also 4 7. Next last row but first column. Same first column, no change, but rows only we are changing. So last row but first column. Delete last row elements and first column elements. You will get 3 4 is the column. Next 1 1 is the next column. Then you take 2 3. Okay, 2 3, again 3 4, 2 3 3 4. Is it clear? Here rough work is very very important. If you do any mistake in rough work, you won't get the correct answer. So first deleting first row and first column, take the elements in order column wise. Similarly last row first column, delete it. Then you consider the next 2 columns 3 4 1 1. Again 2 3 you have to take, again 3 4. So if you see the rough work, the starting is 4 7, ending is 4 7. Here the starting is 3 4, ending is also 3 4. So this is equal to, now I am going to find signed minor. Signed minor means by using this rough work you can calculate directly. Okay, signed minor is nothing but calculation of this one. So it is take for 4 elements determinant. 4 into 2 is 8, 1 into 7 is 7, but formula is on minus, so minus 7. Similarly we are going for next 4 elements. Next 4 means first column second column, then you take second column third column, then you take third column fourth column. So 1 into 3 is 3, formula is on minus sign. 2 into 3 is 6, so minus 6. Similarly last 2, 3 into 7 is 21, formula is on minus. 4 into 3 is 12. Then you are going for, this is only for first row and second row. Now you consider second row and third row. Find out determinant. 7 into 1 7, 3 into 2 is 6, formula is on minus, so 7 minus 6. Then you are going for the next 2 columns. 2 into 2 4, 3 into 1 is 3, formula is on minus, so 4 minus 3. Next 3 into 3 is 9, minus 7 into 2 is 14, so minus 14. We are moving to third row and fourth row. Then consider the first 4 elements. 3 into 1 3, 1 into 4 is 4, so 3 minus 4. Then 1 into 3 3, formula is 1 minus, 2 into 1 is 2. Then 2 into 4 is 8, formula is 1 minus, 3 into 3 9, 8 minus 9. But you have to take a transpose. This, by using this rough work, what you are doing the calculation, that is called signed minor. You have to take a transpose, that is called your adjoint. Now simplify this one. You will get, this is nothing but 1, this is minus 3, okay, this is nothing but 9, This is 1, this is 1, this is minus 5, this is minus 1, 1 minus 1 whole transpose. So simplification is nothing but this one taking transpose. So that is transpose means your rows and columns are interchanged. So your first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. That's all second subdivision. Now we are moving to the third subdivision. Now third subdivision is given matrix is 1 by 3 into the first two elements 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 2. So let us take, let A is equal to this matrix. Here the change is scalar multiple 1 by 3. That is a changes comparing with the second and third subdivision. What we know that is adjoint of Ka is equal to K power n minus 1 into adjoint of A. This is a new formula by using the theorem. So learn this one. What is adjoint of Ka? K power n minus 1 into adjoint A. So while going for adjoint of A, here the answer is 1 by 3 power n minus 1. N is nothing but order. What is the order of this matrix? It is 3 by 3 matrix. So 1 by 3 is K. Okay, that is scalar. 1 by 3 power n minus 1. N here is nothing but 3. N here is 3. So 3 minus 1 becomes 2. So 1 by 3 power 2 into adjoint of this matrix. So 1 by 3 power 2 means you will get 1 by 9 into we want to find out adjoint for this one. So for this one we need the rough work. So how will you start with the rough work? Once again same method. I am that is deleting first row and first column elements. So I am getting first column as 1 minus 2 2 2. Okay. Then you consider the next column minus 2 1. Then again 1 minus 2. So starting is 1 minus 2, ending also 1 minus 2. So it is correct. Then delete the third row and first column. So you will get first, that is column 2 1 1 2. 2 1 1 2. Then you take the next column elements 2 minus 2, again 2 1. So starting is 2 1, ending is also 2 1. Now see the calculation part. You start with the first row and second row. Take the determinants for each 4 values. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Already on minus is there. So you will get plus 4. Similarly next 4 elements. So 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Already on minus you will get plus 4. The next 4 elements. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 1 into 1 is minus. 1 into 1 is 1 but formula is minus. So 4 minus 1. Then we are moving to the second row and third row. Now minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So you will get minus 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 minus 1. Then 1 into 2 is 2 minus 4. So you will get plus 4. Then third and fourth row. Consider third and fourth row. Find out the determinant for each 4 elements. 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into 1. 4 minus 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 2 into 2 is 4. You will get minus 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Here becomes plus 4. Whole transpose. So simplify. 1 by 9. Constant 1 by 9 is outside. That you keep as it is. This is becomes 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 6. Here is 3. This is minus 6. This is 3. This is 6. This is 3. This is minus 6. This is also 6. Whole transpose. So 1 by 9 into interchanging rows and columns. Your first row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. Third row becomes third column. That is equal to now. Look at this constant in each and every term. Is nothing but or nothing but each and every term are nothing but multiples of 3. So you can take out 3 because it is a matrix. You can take out 3 outside. So you will get here we have taken 3 outside means each and every term we want to divide it by 3. So 6 by 3 is 2. Minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. 3 by 3 is 1. 6 by 3 is 2. 3 by 3 is 1. Minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. 3 by 3 is 1. 6 by 3 is 2. 6 by 3 is 2. So 3 by 9 becomes 1 by 3 into this matrix. That's all.